Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Chelle. In today's video I'll be showing you some absolute bargains that I've picked up from B&M and Home Bargains. If you are new to my channel, then hi, my name's Michelle. I upload videos every single week on things like cleaning, cooking, lifestyle, vlogs. So if that's the kind of thing that you like, then I would love to have you subscribe and join my YouTube channel. I went to B&M and then Home Bargains earlier on today, so I thought I would show you what I picked up because I was really impressed with some of the stuff that they had in there. I normally pop to those types of shops to get my cleaning products because I find them much more valuable there than in the supermarkets. So I'll start by showing you what I picked up in B&M. So the first thing that I picked up is this Caddy. This is a multi-purpose kitchen caddy, and I've wanted one of these for ages, just to kind of keep everything in, so your fairy liquid, your sponges, cloths, things like that, and stop it looking kind of messy on the kitchen side, because I think it can look quite messy. And I was going to get a Joseph one, which I'd seen on Dunelm, I think, and it was like £15, and then I seen this in Home Bargains for only £2, which I think is amazing. So it's really good, quite a big size as well, and it's got this kind of like movable section here as well, so you can like put your sponges and things here. You can get everything in there and kind of slide that along. So I don't know if you can see on the picture there, you can see the types of things that you can put in there. So I think for £2 this is an absolute bargain. Another organiser type thing that I picked up was for the bathroom. Again, I was going to order the Joseph one, and I think it was around £15 again. And I found this one, a super big one for putting all of your bathroom essentials in, to put in electric toothbrushes because they don't fit in the normal ones. And I actually did smash my toothbrush holder when I was cleaning the bathroom the other day. So I thought this would be ideal because you can fit mouthwash, toothpaste, the toothbrushes in here, Arabella's toothbrush and toothpaste. So yeah, I thought this would be fantastic, and it's grey and white, really nice colours, and was only £3. I also picked up this new squidgy for the shower. I needed a new one. The old one that we had basically got a bit of kind of mould on it and things. So I picked this up for only £2, which I think is great. Then I needed a new colander. And I really like this one because it goes straight as well. So how much was this one? This was £2, and it's a collapsible colander, so it doesn't take up much room in the cupboard neither. So you can see it like this, and then it just pops open like so, and there you have it, a colander, and then it just pops back like that for easy storage. So I think that was a real bargain for £2, and I really like this kind of white and grey that they have in there, which I've picked up in obviously the kitchen caddy and the bathroom organiser as well. I also got a couple of cleaning products in there, so I picked up the Winter Morning Zaflora. This was only £2 in there, and I haven't actually tried this one, so I'm really excited to try this one. And I also got some duck toilet cleaner. I really like the duck toilet cleaner range, and this one's called Floral Fantasy. So I haven't seen this one in there, and this was only £1, whereas normally if I get it in my like Tesco delivery or something, it's £1.50. So it's definitely worth kind of going to B&M for products like this. And one last thing that I picked up from B&M was a mascara, actually. So whenever you go in there, it's always worth checking out their makeup aisle, because sometimes they have like branded makeup in there, which is really cheap. So recently I used the Max Factor cream, the cream compact kind of pressed powder, which is really good, and it's normally around £10 if you get it in Boots or something, and they had it in there recently for only £4. So I picked up this mascara in there. So it's Max Factor Masterpiece High Volume and Definition Mascara. So online I looked on this on Boots, and it's £9 on Boots, and this was only £3.99 in there. So it's always worth checking out the makeup section in there, because you can really get some good bargains in there. Completely forgot, there's another couple of bits that I picked up from B&M that I forgot to show you. So I picked up this, it's so cute, it's like a spoon holder, and it's like a you know when you're cooking and you want to rest your spoon somewhere and you don't want to kind of get dirt all over the sides, I wanted something like this for ages, and I found this in there and I thought it was so cute. So it's just got a little bee on here and then it says be kind, and that was £1.99. And then I also needed a new oven glove and some tea towels, and I seen this in there and I thought it was so cute. So this is a woodland variety. So they had this one in there that has kind of got like little rabbits and things on there, or the rabbits' hairs maybe. And then they also had a bee one as well, but I really liked the rabbit one. So I picked this up, a double oven glove for only £3.99, which is fantastic value. And then with that, I found some matching tea towels. So this was a set of 3 tea towels. So one has got the big hair on, and then a plain one, and then like this. So they'll basically match my kitchen perfectly because I have kind of a country-ish style kitchen. So hopefully these will look really nice hanging on the oven. And 3 tea towels was only £4, which again is just fantastic value. I know I'm talking about Dunelm again, but I had some in my Dunelm basket, and it was £8 in there for the oven glove, and it was only £4 in B&M, and it looks pretty much exactly the same. So yeah, really pleased with the bargains that I picked up in B&M. So that now is everything that I picked up from B&M. So next I will show you what I picked up from Home Bargains. Actually, the first thing I'll show you is this mat that I've got for my back door. So I've been wanting a like a doormat for quite a while for my back door in the kitchen, because we go in and out, and I've just got a kind of creamy one there at the minute and it's just absolutely filthy. So I've been looking for a new one, ideally one that I can put in the washing machine and wash as well. And then I found this in Home Bargains, which was only £8, which is fantastic value. And I like this one because it's a runner as well, so it's slightly longer, so it will kind of cover more of the door, and it's machine washable, which is fantastic, for only £8. So I picked up a few more cleaning products in Home Bargains because that's mainly what I went in there for. So I picked up the Flash Bathroom Cleaner with Febreze. Now I love this, and this was a value pack as well. So this is the bigger one. So this is the 750ml one. And this was only £1.50, which is really good value, because normally in places like Tesco's, the normal size one is £1.50. So it's definitely worth going to Home Bargains for products like this. Then I picked up some Pledge polish just because I needed some, and I really like the flavoured ones, the scented ones. So this one is the jasmine scent, which smells really nice. And then I needed some 1001 carpet spray. I normally get it in B&M, but for some reason they didn't have any in there. But they had this one in Home Bargains, and I haven't tried this one yet. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. So this is soft jasmine and linen. So I imagine this will smell amazing, and I love this stuff. Whenever I give the place a quick vacuum, always spray this afterwards, and it makes the living room or wherever you've just vacuumed smell amazing. You basically just spray it on the floor and then it kind of evaporates into nothing and leaves the most amazing smell. So yeah, and that was only £1 in there as well. What other cleaning things did I pick up? So I picked up some Brillo pads. I looked everywhere for these and I haven't been able to find them, so I was really pleased when they had them in Home Bargains, and they were only 89p for 10 soap pads in there. And I really like these for, like cleaning the oven racks and things like that. They're really good, or cleaning the bottoms of pans. They're fantastic for getting kind of burnt on stains off of things. Then I picked up this washing machine cleaner. I haven't tried this before, but it was a 2-pack and it was only 79p for this washing machine cleaner, which you just basically put into the drum to give the washing machine a good clean. I normally just clean mine with white vinegar, but I thought for 79p for 2 of them, I would give this one a go. Then I picked up some bathroom wipes. These are just really handy, I find, just for wiping around the toilet seat. So these were a pack of 54. How much were these? So a pack of 50 for 59p in there, which is really cheap for just some disposable wipes. Then the last cleaning things that I got in Home Bargains was actually I did pick up a large fairy liquid, but it's already in the kitchen because we just ran out. Then I picked up another Zoflora in there. So this was a huge Zoflora. So this is a 500ml one. This was £3.99 and this is in Sparkling Spruce. So I haven't actually tried this one. I've seen quite a few people on Instagram talk about this one and how nice it smells. So I'm really looking forward to soaking my cloths in this tonight. Rock and roll for a Saturday night, hey. So yeah, that's all of the cleaning bits that I've picked up. Then I picked up a couple of food bits, not much really. I just picked up these Fibre One bars. These were only £1 in there, and these are great because they're only 90 calories. And I'm just starting Slimming World, so these can be used as your healthy extra B as well. And yeah, they're just a lot cheaper in there than they are in the supermarket. So I picked up a couple of packs of them. And then I got these Interdental brushes, which were only 79p. And normally these Interdental brushes are really expensive. So I kind of use them like instead of flossing or alongside flossing. And these were 79p. And these are normally about £4 sometimes in Tesco's. So I picked up these in there. And then the only other thing that I picked up are these hooks. So these are just some self-adhesive large white hooks, which were only 99p. So I'm planning on maybe putting these in Arabella's playroom, just to kind of hang some of her bags and things on, because they just at the minute are kind of thrown behind the door. So hopefully put a little bit more structure. I do desperately need to sort her playroom out. Maybe this will make me do it, you know, some hooks, who knows. So that I think is everything that I picked up in there, and they've got some really good things in there at the moment. Cleaning products, definitely recommend going to B&M and Home Bargains for your cleaning products as opposed to supermarkets, because I find it so much cheaper. And if you're kind of having a bit of an organisation and sort out at the moment, in Home Bargains they've got some really good storage ideas. So they've got some amazing storage containers if you want to, you know, like put pastas and things like that in them, and they're really reasonably priced, much cheaper than I've actually seen them anywhere else. I hope that you've enjoyed this haul and it gave you an insight into some of the bargains that you can get in these stores. If you did enjoy this video, then please give it a like, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Well, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!